In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Expressvpn in 2025, a process that should take about 5 minutes. Whether you're switching to another service or just need to tighten up your budget, I'll guide you step by step through the cancellation process. Let's make this as simple as possible. First, grab your device and open your favorite web browser. Our journey begins at the Expressvpn homepage, which can be found by typing www.expressvpn.com. Expressvpn is known as the best VPN service for speed and privacy in 2025, so you might have enjoyed using it. But if you're ready to move on, that's completely fine. Once you're on the homepage, look for the My Account section. You'll find this located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the Sign In page. If you're not already signed in, this is where you'll need to enter your login details. To ensure a smooth login, make sure you have your username and password at hand. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. After successfully logging in, the next step is to head over to the Expressvpn dashboard. You can easily find this option in the navigation area of the website. Think of this as your control center for managing all things related to your Expressvpn account, from updating your details to managing your subscriptions. Now that you're in the dashboard, it's time to check the status of your existing subscription. Navigate to the My Subscriptions section where you'll see the details of your current plan. This is a crucial step because it tells you everything about your ongoing subscription and any potential services tied to it. If you're mid-plan, understanding your billing cycle helps to avoid any unexpected charges. If everything looks good and you're ready to proceed with cancellation, look for the Cancel option, often found near the details of your current plan. Clicking Cancel may prompt you with a feedback form asking about your reasons for leaving. It's worth taking a moment to fill this out as it helps improve the service for others in the future. Once canceled, make sure to check your email for a cancellation confirmation. This serves as proof that your subscription has ended and will often contain details about the termination of the service. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your Expressvpn subscription. Remember, you can always reactivate it later if you decide to return. Thanks for watching. And I hope this guide made the process clear and stress-free. If you found this helpful, feel free to drop a like or share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time.